Hello children, this is Miss Sandra here. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe at home. This week, the subject that I would be teaching is numeracy skills, and the topic that I would be covering is revision of numbers from 1 to 10 and introduction of the shape square. Day 1. Let's do the recap of numbers from 1 to 10. Ones and tens. O for ones and T for tens. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Can you see 1 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place? So when number 10 comes, now this is the bundle. We put all the ones together and we make it a bundle. It's called 110 bundle. Now let's do different kinds of activities, okay? Now the first one is color the strawberries to match the numeral given. So there are strawberries here and the number given here is 4. What's the number given? Number 4. So now we are going to color. We are first going to count 4 strawberries and we're going to color 4 strawberries, all right? Now let's color. 1, 2, 3. We are coloring only 4 strawberries, okay? Because the numeral given here is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many strawberries did we color? 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4. So you have same activity in your workbook, that is on page number 61 and 62. You need to color the apples to match the numeral given. You're going to count the numeral given here. You're going to count the apples and you're going to color the apples to match the numeral given. Okay. Day 2. Now let's join the dots from 1 to 10 and color the banana. Alright. Let's join. Now numeral 1 is on top. From 1 we are going to join to number 2. Then to number 3. Then to number 4. What comes after 4? 5. Good. 6. Very good. 7. Good job. Then 8. Then 9. And 10. So what's the name of the fruit here? Yes, it's a banana. What's the color of the banana? Yes. Now let's color the banana. See, we have to color the banana. First, you're going to join the dots from number 1 to 10. But you're going to say the number, okay? You're going to say the number and join the dots. And then you're supposed to color. What's the color of banana? Yes, it's yellow in color. Banana is a fruit. Good job. Alright, so we have colored the banana. So you have the similar exercise in your workbook on page number 63. You should join the dots from 1 to 10 and color the duck. So you don't have a banana in the workbook, you have the duck. You need to join the dots and you need to color the duck. Alright? Now you have a different exercise here. Now we need to circle the same numeral. See, the numbers are given here in yellow color box. Yes. So we are going to see the number and we are going to circle the number given here. Okay. We need to circle the same number. We need to circle the same number. Alright. So what's the first number here? Yes, it's number 1. Now let's see where's number 1 in the first set. The first number is 3, 1 and 2. So the number given here is 1. So we have to circle number 1. Good job. What's number after 1? Yes, it's number 2. So let's see where's number 2 in the second set. This is 5, 7 and this is 2. Now let's circle number 2. Very good. Now what's the number after 2? 3. Very good. Now let's see where's number 3 in the third set. Yes, here it is. Now let's circle number 3. What's the number after 3? 4. Very good. Now let's see where is number 4. It's 9. Yes, this is 7. And what's the name of this number? 4. Very good. Now circle number 4. Good job. Now what's the number after 4? 5. Very good. Now let's see where's number 5. 3. Very good. Yes, number 5 is here. So circle number 5. Good job, children. Now you have similar exercise in your workbook. That's on page 64 in the workbook. You need to circle the same number. 1 is already done for you, okay, in the workbook. So from 2 onwards, you need to do till 10, okay? You need to circle the same numeral. Numeral means number, okay? Day 3. Now, there's another exercise for you. Count the objects. Circle the correct number. That is, circle the correct numeral, okay? Now, let's count how many cars are there. Yes, it's a red car. Very good. Good job. Now, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many cars are there together? 8 cars. Now let's see where is number 8. What's the name of this number? Very good. It is 4. What's the name of this number? 2. And what's the name of this number? 8. So how many cars did you find here? Yes, it's 8 cars. So now let's circle it. Good job. So you have to circle the correct numeral, okay? You need to count the objects and circle the correct numeral. You have a similar exercise on page number 65 and 66, okay? You need to count the objects and circle the correct numeral. Here, you need to count the cars in each set, say the number, write the number in the box. You have to write the numeral in the box. Okay? You need to count. Now let's do the first one, okay? Now count how many cars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many cars did you find? How many green color cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? 7. Very good. Now let's write number 7 in the workbook. Okay. First box. Okay. You need to write like this. Now here, there's a friend for you who's waiting. Bunny. Bunny has 10 carrots. He has forgotten to number some of them. So we need to write the missing numbers, okay? There's a bunny who has 10 carrots, but he has forgotten to number some of them. And we need to write the missing numbers, okay? Now, can you see the bunny here? Yes, he's excited to know how many carrots he has. He has written some of the numbers, but some of the numbers he has forgotten. So let's help him write, okay? Now let's write. What's the first number? Very good. 1. After 1, 2. After 2, 3. Very good. What's the number after 3? 4. Very good. After 4, 5. 5 is already given. So after 5, 6. After 6, 7. Very good, children. What's the number after 7 given here? 8. After 8, 9. Good job. What's the last number? Very good. 1, 0, 10. So let's count how many carrots does the bunny have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. So now in your workbook, you have Chewy. This is Chewy. Okay. The pup name is Chewy. Chewy has 10 bones. He has forgotten to number some of them. So you need to write the missing numerals, okay? You're going to fill in the missing numbers from 1 to 10. You're going to help Chewy count how many bones he has, okay? On page number 67 in your workbook. Day 4. Now let's learn a new concept, shape. The first shape that we're going to learn is square. Everybody repeat. Square. Yes. What's the name of the shape? Square. Yes. In square, all 4 sides are equal. Square has 4 equal sides. Repeat, square. Now let's see how many sides does a square have. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 equal sides. Okay, repeat after me. A square has 4 equal sides. Okay. Now let's color the big square green and the small square in red. The big square in green and the small square in red. Okay. Let's do it, children. Yes. color. How many sides does the square have? 4 sides. Good job. And all the 4 sides are equal. Very good. So you need to color like this, okay? Square has 4 equal sides, and we are coloring big square in green. We are coloring big square in green. Very good. So a square has 4 equal sides. Good job. Sorry, when I colored, it came out. But when you color, it should not come out of the line, okay? And now let's color the small square in red. Now one last time, how many sides does the square have? 4 sides. Are they equal? Yes? Good job. Yes, it's easy to color the small square, right? Yes. Good job, children. You need to color it neatly, okay? So now we have colored the big square in green and the small square in red. Now in your workbook, you have an exercise on page number 27. You need to color the big square in red and the small square in blue. Okay? Now let's see objects that are in square in shape. Okay? What is this? Yes, it's a biscuit. Now the biscuit is in square shape. Can you see all 4 sides are equal? Yes. Now what is this? It's a dice. Yes. Can you see one face of the dice is square in shape. So all the face, all the sides are square in shape. So all the sides are square in shape. It's a dice. On the top you can see square, the front, back, the sides, down. All the sides of the dice are square in shape, okay? What is this? Yes, it's a chessboard. Chessboard is in the shape of square. Very good. It's a wall clock. Wall clock is the shape of square. What is this? Yes, it's a handkerchief. Handkerchief is in the shape of square. So if you have any object in your house in the square shape, let's see it in the class, okay? When we do this concept in class, you need to show something that is in square shape, okay? Now in your workbook on page 28, you have exercise. Circle the objects that are in square shape, okay? You need to circle the objects that are square in shape, okay? On page 28. Day 5. In your workbook on page 29, you need to color the picture. So there is a picture on page number 29. You need to color it. And on page 30, you need to draw and color a square. You need to draw and color a square, okay? Parents, kindly write the heading numbers from 1 to 10 and 2 times. This is the revision from 1 to 10, okay? So you need to write O for ones and T for tens. Like this, 3 times, okay? The first one, you're going to write it for them. And they're going to write 2 times in their workbook. So you're going to write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1 should be in the tens place and 0 should be in the ones place. So kids have to write the same way you've written it for them. Kindly keep the book in a horizontal and please follow the instructions given in the video as well as in the class. Thank you, children. Hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.